What's up guys, Mike Noward with WorkBrow. Today we're out at a job site with Jim Palmer Excavating. They're digging for drainage tile for a field. They're going about 5,000 feet an hour and about 180,000 total linear feet of drainage tile. Let's check it out. So first off, these guys took their excavator with their coupler and their WorkBrow bucket, and they dug down and dug this main line, which they're trenching off of at certain increments. And now these are their trunks that are going off of this main line, and they tap into each one, and then they lay the tile using a different machine. Now these guys are going to take their Case 500 machine with their Braun drainage plow, and they're going to pull the drainage tile off of that main trunk line. This is just one of those really cool use cases where WorkBrow is able to get the job started with our attachments and digging out those main lines, and then you switch over to a different machine and really do the job efficiently. And these guys just do an excellent job here.